Title of the project: Active Learning from Relative Comparisons. Abstract of the project: this work focuses on active learning from relative comparisons information. A relative comparison specifies for a data triplet xi, xj, xk that instances is xi is more similar to xj than to xk. Such constraints, when available, have been shown to be useful toward learning tasks such as defining appropriate distance metrics or finding good clustering solution. In real-world applications, acquiring constraint often involves considerable human effort as it requires the user to manually inspect the instances. This motivates us to study how to select and query the most useful relative comparisons to achieve effective learning with minimum use. Given an underlying class concept that is employed by the user to provide such constraints, we present an information theoretic criterion that selects the triplet whose answer lead to the highest expected information gain about the classes of a set of examples. Directly applying the proposed criterion requires examining O entry triplets with n instances, which is prohibitive even for data sets of moderate size. We show that a randomized selection strategy can be used to reduce the selection pool from O entry to On with minimal loss in efficiency, allowing us to scale up considerably larger problem. Experiments showed that the proposed method consistently outperforms baseline policies. Flow of the project: let's start the process and give the data sets to the information stored in a database. The user give the query to the database and get the related information from the given database, then clustering the queries, and the cluster informations can be a sampling to the users and frequency comparisons for the informations and give the final result to the user. Demo of the project: let's start the NetBeans and run the home page. Enter the image to the next frame and browse the file. Load the data in a table and go to the next frame. Load the data into the table and store successfully into a database and query given by the user. And display the information into the data table. Data classified successfully, and go to the next page. Original content can be selected in the database. The data can be selected successfully and stop the words the data evaluated successfully and go to the next frame and load the data into the file contents and similarity for the given data. Go to the next frames, the frequency computations for the given data, frequency compared successfully, and thank you.